Hello and welcome to the second part of our making of series for the 12 Parsecs There, Boba Fett fan film. This time we are going to talk about our props and sets, so let's get to it. As we knew, our movie set was supposed to be a saloon of some kind. We needed a location suitable for that kind of atmosphere. To start with, we were scouting bars and actual restaurants to use as our location. But we didn't find a place that wouldn't have required a huge makeover to be usable. In the end, we were actually really fortunate to find a great location in an old cable factory here in Helsinki, Finland. Our main reference for the set design, in addition to Western movies, was of course the classic canteen from original Star Wars trilogy.
One thing about location was that there was some kind of production in there before our turn. Yeah. So it was actually an adventure because we couldn't get to the place before the actual shoot week. We had just seen the images of the space, but we couldn't actually really determine where to put all the stuff and how we could plan out the camera angles without going there, where the lights would be. So actually all the planning, considering the actual shooting process, had to be done in the same week we started the filming.
Funny thing is, for example, we made these like plates out of cardboard to decorate the place and give it that Star Wars feel to it. So, and we wanted them to be next to the bar counter, but we didn't have a chance to go and measure it up. So we just made them, and then we were there, and then okay, this is too tall. Then we just saw them.
They didn't fit.
we needed to cut the bottom
just saw
piece out. Yeah, but it worked that way as well. We just needed to make them as long as possible.
It was unfortunate, but you handled it well.
Yeah, and the location was so good that we decided that it's worth it to see that extra trouble, and there's a couple inconvenient things.
Yeah. We had like two goals to achieve with the set design. First was to fill it up with so much details and stuff and actual practical elements that we could film it from any angle. And the other thing was that we really wanted to do the minimum stuff in CGI. It was really, really important to us to get that look of the old classic, like Star Wars movies, where everything was made practically. There was really few CGI elements used, where unnecessary. Of course, there are necessary CGI elements in our movie as well, but it's also cheaper and it's more fun as well to make those practical elements.
It's more fun for the extras and everybody who was actually there on location.
Yeah, totally.
Because it looked amazing. You made the tables and the chairs look like they actually belonged there.
Ai hei, tänään teemme avaruustuoleja. Näin se tapahtuu. Mahtavaa kosmista voimaa.
Yeah, the old Star Wars films, they used all these real world elements, like all old weapons, camera equipment, parts and all this, and they were turned into something else. So that also brings the charm and the feel to the original trilogy. So it's not only the practical reason, but also just to get the same feeling for the film.
Yeah. They feel like real items when you make them out of real items. So just use those second-hand shops. They usually work for that.